Hello guys. On this occasion, I will share a very easy tutorial. Maybe you have a used lamp, or maybe you can find a lamp. For example, like this, and a used lamp, okay. First of all, let's check whether it's on or not. It's dead, it's broken, isn't it? Now let's dismantle it first. From a visual perspective, it looks good. Let's check one by one. The LED, lights are visible. It's on. Yeah, we'll check the other one after that. It's also on. It's on. It's on. Now yes, it's very likely that the LED light is off now. We just have to fix it. It's very easy. Let's check first it's on. Okay, the important thing is that it's connected to the negative. And positive poles now. Okay, let's check first turns it on. This looks like It's very easy right now, just put the lid on. Because it's glued on, so you can tape it on or glue it back on so it's stronger. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful. Bye bye.